next week onwards, if gold have to go bullish all the way, have to go to the previous all-time high or maybe higher, okay, we first have to break. What's up, guys? So let us take a look at the gold market. All right, so let us find, is there any good setup or good opportunity for the coming week? Okay, so this is a daily time frame. As usual, what we do is we always go to top down analysis. Okay, so this is monthly time frame. You can see that monthly is still a bullish, okay, breakup of this previous consolidation area here. Okay, so if we go to weekly the same thing. Okay, so again gold is still going up bullish, okay, after it break up from these compressions like what Danny mentions in the last week video, right? So this is a compression area, eventually break. Okay, once it break, you pump up massive all the way up here. Okay, so if we go to daily again the same thing. Okay, it's still bullish. Okay, create a rally based rally. Okay, and then here as well create a rally based rally again. Okay, overall we're still looking bullish in daily time frame. Okay, so now we go to the H4 time frame. Let me shorten up this one. H4 time frame, overall you can see that it's still actually respecting this resistance over here, haven't breakthrough from the resistance here. Okay, and also that is a support over here, right? So last week basically go break up from this another compression as well. Okay, so this is a compression area. Okay, so once gold eventually break up, it create a bullish engulfing in the H4 time frame. Okay, and then gold actually retrace. Okay, this is a zone. So once you created a bullish engulfing, okay, so this one is a rally based rally. Okay, at the same time go retrace all the way and tap into this zone, rejected and pump up again all the way here. Okay, so if we look at this H1 time frame, you can see clearly that this is a zone that gold is still respecting the resistance, that gold is still not managed to break through yet, right? So you can see over here, then you can very clearly see that this is a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so by screenshot over here, okay, so you can see this is basically a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, left shoulder head all the way come down, this one is right shoulder. Okay, so go manage to tap first time over here and then eventually come back another time to tap second time again at this zone over here, this resistance zone over here. Okay, so next week, okay, next week onwards, if gold have to go bullish all the way, have to go to the previous all-time high or maybe higher, okay, we first have to break out of this zone first. Okay, this zone over here, right? We have to be, so this is a zone that you have to break up first. Okay, so for example, you have to break up from this zone, retrace before you can actually go way higher. Okay, so if, let's say gold didn't manage to break out of this zone, gold could, so if you look at the H4, okay, and this is a zone, this is a demand zone that gold have to break out first, have to break out from this demand zone first in order to go lower. Okay, if let's say gold were to go lower, all right, so where is the price that gold could potentially go over? Okay, so this one is the week over here. This one could be the first stop that gold could actually stop over, or this one could be another strong demand zone over here. So if you look at this one, it's basically a RBR here, right? So rally based rally. Okay, where the breakout happen, and eventually if we trace down all the way, you could, this one could be a major zone that we could see go to pump up. It could have a strong pump over from this zone over here. Okay, okay, so let us take a look and see for next week. Okay, so if we were to buy, we're going to make sure that break again, you have to make sure it break above this resistance zone, pull back before to go up higher to the previous all-time high. Okay, or go higher, or if you want to go down, you have to make sure you break out of this zone first. Okay, so you can actually go down to this previous week or this strong demand zone over here. Okay, so if you want to know more, please join my Telegram, Danny Trading Academy DT, for more educations and information. All right, so see you guys there.